Discord has released a new server boost perk. Now, it's been a while since Discord has actually released some new server boost perks, but today we're going to be looking into the new perk that Discord has released and officially announced. Without further ado, let's get into it. So, a little while ago, I received a DM from Discord, and basically in this DM, they talked about how they would be instituting a new Discord boost perk, essentially custom stickers. So you might be wondering, how would this work? Well, they actually work exactly like emojis. You can use them in whatever server they might be in, but unlike emojis, you can actually use animated stickers without having Discord Nitro. So essentially, now you can upload custom stickers to your server as well as use the custom stickers of other servers. So essentially, once again, they work just like emojis, but you do need Nitro to use it globally. So I can attempt to use a Nitro from this server, for example. Let's try and use that. And it says I need Discord Nitro. I have Discord Nitro Classic, but I need the full version of Discord, which is the $10 one. So it gives like, a little bit of perks for regular Discord Nitro. And then you can see you have your stickers perks. Express yourself with 300 Nitro only stickers. Use custom stickers across all servers. So I believe this is released to everybody. Everybody has the ability to do this. Discord even released a video on their YouTube channel about this. But I am staffed in a server that has gotten the stickers already, so I will show a screenshot of these stickers and how the page looks. Remember, you do need level 1 boost to get the stickers, but I think this is going to be a really cool thing people can use and add to their servers. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.